Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox and set up our brand new product, the Pulse Oximeter Demo Board. We'll also run a simple code to measure your heart rate, BPM, and SpO2 levels in real time. So, let's get started. Alright, so here we have the pamphlet. This contains clear instructions on how to connect the demo board to your microcontroller, along with some basic information about the board and how it works. Next, we have the components inside the box. These are the jumper wires that you'll use to make all the necessary connections. Moving on, we have the ESP32 case. This is made from industry-grade acrylic, which not only gives it a clean and professional look but also helps with electrostatic discharge protection. On the backside, you'll also find printed pinouts, which makes it very easy to identify and connect the pins correctly. And finally, we have our main product, the Pulse Oximeter Demo Board. It comes with the MAX30102 sensor, which is used to measure your heart rate and oxygen saturation levels. Along with that, there's a built-in OLED display that shows the output in real time. So yes, this is the complete unboxing experience of the demo board with the ESP32 case. We also have other variants available. Now, let's move ahead and measure your heart rate and oxygen levels. Before we upload the code, make sure your ESP32 or Arduino is properly set up in the Arduino IDE. If you haven't done that yet, check out the setup video linked in the description and complete that first. Once that's done, go to the GitHub link provided in the description or scan the QR code from the pamphlet. This will take you to our repository. After opening the repository, navigate to Biomedical Sensors and then select MAX30102. Now, scroll down and go to the MAX30102 SpO2 section. From here, download the code file. Once the file is downloaded, open it. It should automatically open in the Arduino IDE. If it doesn't, make sure you have Arduino IDE installed. I've also linked a full setup guide in the description. Now that the code is open, connect your microcontroller to your PC. In this case, I'm using an ESP32, so I'll connect the demo board to the ESP32 first, and then connect the ESP32 to my computer. Once everything is connected, go back to the Arduino IDE, select your board, choose the correct port, and make sure to install the required libraries. After that, compile and upload the code. After the code is successfully uploaded, you'll see a message on the display asking you to place your finger on the sensor. Go ahead and place your finger on the MAX30102 sensor. And just like that, your heart rate and SpO2 levels will be displayed in real time on the OLED screen, as you can see here. So that's how easy it is to set up and use the Pulse Oximeter Demo Board. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to check out our other products, and stay tuned for more such projects and tutorials. Thank you for watching.